Let me tell you something about molded wood toilet seats and covers. We buy other manufacturers' wood waste. At our wood flour mill, we grind that waste up into flour. We also take all of our scrap and flash and grind that up at our mill. In our molding process, we combine that flour along with the scrap and flash that was made into flour. Additionally, we recycle all of our airborne dust in our molding process, and that is also included in our seats and covers. The total pounds annually is about 1.5 million pounds that never has to go to landfill. After we mold the seats and covers, we remove the flash and sand the sharp edge off. From there it goes to our finishing process where we apply water-based paint. The final step is where we do the assembly of the seats and covers, and it's shipped to our warehouse. Hi, I'm Tim Pittner, Director of Thermoset Operations.